Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the world of staying healthy. First and foremost, remember to eat a balanced diet. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. This will ensure that your body gets all the essential nutrients it needs. Secondly, make sure to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body functioning at its best. Thirdly, exercise regularly. Whether it's going for a run, hitting the gym, or simply taking a brisk walk, physical activity is crucial for maintaining good health. Lastly, get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to allow your body to rest and recharge. So, there you have it, folks. These simple tips can help you stay healthy and feel your best. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.